Have you ever worked so hard only to realize you were missing the life that you were actually working hard for? See, guys, that was me before, okay? My name is Angel and I work as an IT project manager here in Canada. So, guys, when my family moved to Canada, see, we had big dreams, okay? For me personally, I actually wrote down how much I will be making every month and be sending back home to my mom. So just like many immigrants, we wanted a better future for our children. So immediately we moved here. I did exactly what I could do to get extra income. I love to cook, and I said to myself, you know what, let me start a cooking business from home, okay? But between the full-time job, raising the boys, say here is only you, and cooking for customer, I became completely burnt out and I quit that business. Then fast forward to like 2 years later, when I was on maternity leave with my last son, I said to myself, I said, okay, I can actually do an e-commerce brand, from the comfort of my home. Guys, I poured all my strength, savings into it. But again, I did not get the result I was hoping for. And eventually I found myself burnt out. See, guys, that was when I realized that I did not need a business with how busy my life is that depended on me doing everything, okay? And I've been observing the online space and I know how things are moving in the online space, but there are so many shiny objects in the online space. See, as a Christian, I enter prayer mode. So I was praying to God to direct me to the right community, okay? And that was how I found my business. Then when I found my business, I did my due diligence, and these three things kind of stood out to me. First thing that stood out to me was that it focused on high value products instead of relying on hundreds of small sales or even actual digital products, okay? Then secondly, to use systems. That was what I was looking for, and automation. So the business was not completely tied to me, so that when I'm on vacation, just like this vacation, my business is working for me. And thirdly, it taught ordinary people, because one of my fear was like, I don't have a huge follower on social media, but I saw that the business was teaching ordinary people how to attract people using online to build their business without relying on family and friends. So I took my time, watched the training, did my research, and I decided to build this business alongside my full-time job. But today, guys, I have something I did not have before. See, I have a clear path, I have a proven system, and I'm building a future that is so different. And trust me, guys, the way I used to worry about finances before, I no longer worry about that. I no longer have those anxieties. So if you're a professional, an immigrant, or a parent who is looking to build something along their 9 to 5 without quitting their job, click the learn more button to access the same workshop that I watch it and see if this resonates with you. And I will be on the inside to guide you and to hold your hand through this process.